Today we're going to solve two-step inequalities using similar steps to what we use for solving two-step equations. Let's start with the first one that I've got here from Fish Math. So negative 30 is greater than or equal to negative 10 plus 10x. So we solve this like we solve a two-step equation. Draw the line down, circle the variable term, can't touch that. Get rid of the constant near x instead. So the negative 10, let's add 10 to both sides to get rid of the minus 10. That gives us negative 20 on the left side is greater than or equal to. Bring down the 10x because this part was 0. To get x by itself, we're going to divide both sides by 10. That will give us just negative 2 on the left side. Bring down the symbol, and that would just be 1x. So we often don't like where the x is on the right side of the inequality. We can flip this around. This would be x and negative 2 on the right. But if you change the order around, we got to also flip the symbol around because this is saying negative 2 is greater than or equal to x. So x should be smaller than negative 2. So less than or equal to negative 2. So the symbol actually flips around if I flip around the order of x and the number. To graph this, we're going to make a little number line here. So we use a number line to show our solutions here because there's more than just one answer. X less than negative 2 is an infinite number of answers. Anything less than or equal to negative 2. So to show that on a number line, I want to make sure negative 2 shows up here somewhere. I'm going to put it somewhere in the middle. Remember that number lines always count up. So negative 1 would come next, and then 0, and then 1. So bigger to the right, smaller to the left. We put our circle on the number that we have. So this one, negative 2 here, is going to be where the circle goes. And then we look at the symbol here. It says less than or equal to, so we're going to fill in that circle. And to go less than that, I want everything that's less than or equal to negative 2. So things that are smaller than negative 2 or negative 2. So that means go to the left. So the arrow is going to point to the left when I sketch this on a number line. That's how we show all of our solutions. So all of our solutions are over here on the number line. There's no solutions over here on the right because nothing bigger than negative 2 is going to work. I want less than or equal to negative 2 only. That's shown here with this arrow going left of the negative 2. That's how we solve a two-step and then graph the solution on the number line. Let's do another one here just to practice. Well, let's pick a good one. Let's try this one. 5x plus 7 is greater than or equal to 2. So, again, 2 steps to solve this. Move the 7 first by subtracting it. So negative 5, and then a 5x on the left. And bring the symbol down. Dividing by 5 will give us x is greater than or equal to negative 1. When we go to graph this on the number line, so I'm going to put 0 in the middle this time. 1, 2, 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So at negative 1 will be the circle. It's equal to, the symbol is. So we're going to fill in this circle. And this time it's greater than or equal to negative 1, so we're going to go to the right with our arrow. All of our solutions are to the right of negative 1 or including negative 1. These are all of our possible solutions. So 2 works, 3 works, etc. Anything that's bigger than or equal to negative 1. Let's try one more here with a different kind of symbol. See if I can get one here. Let's try this one. 5x minus 4 is greater than 46. So 2-step, add the 4 over. This gives us 50 on the right, 5x on the left. Bring down the symbol, divide by 5, we get x is greater than 10. To graph this solution, let's draw a number line in. So for greater than 10, we're not going to have it filled in this time because it's not equal to. So if it's less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, then it fills in the circle. But if it's not an equal to, there's no little line underneath this greater than symbol. It's going to be an open circle on 10 because you actually can't include 10. I can include anything bigger than 10, so 10.1, 10.01, 10.000001. Any little decimal bigger than 10 will be included, which is why we show the circle on 10, but it's an open circle, meaning we can't have 10. We have anything to the right of 10. Anything bigger than 10 is going to be in our solution. So anything 10.1, 10 like I said before, any fraction bigger than 10 is going to work, which is why we don't just say 11 and above. It's anything bigger than 10 because of all those decimal possible answers. And that's, again, how we solve a two-step inequality and